Are pink female peacocks real? Everything you wanted to know. Pink 2023. As a general rule, pink and red peacocks are mutations and not common in nature. There are many different colors of peafowl, with 15 known ones: blue-green, white and purple cameos, a type of porcelain, charcoal or amber opals that have a semi-transparent quality to them when light hits at an angle. This makes it appear as though there is smoke around the stone instead. There's also bronze, in which case you can see several shades mixed together like flames from burning metal rather than individual tones like most other stones do. Peach pits, oranges, golds, browns, reds, yellows, green, tans, brownish blacks. People often ask, are pink peacocks real? Pink albino peacock. The answer is a resounding yes. Pink peacocks are a rare mutation that was discovered in Britain. These birds have feathers that range from light pink to dark purple and many shades of these colors in between. This article will explore the evolutionary history of this fascinating bird and what makes it so unique. If you would like to add to your peacock raising library, check out these great books on Amazon. Are there pink peacocks? In addition to being one of the most beautiful creatures on earth, there are other reasons why people love the pink peacock so much. They are great pets because they can be trained easily. Their eggs taste delicious when cooked with sugar, salt, and butter, and they make for wonderful companions because they get along well with dogs or cats who live in an apartment just as. Are pink female peacocks real? The question of whether or not pink peacocks are real is a difficult one to answer. The term real can be interpreted in many ways. Are pink female peacocks real? For example, some people might say that only those animals that occur naturally in the wild are considered real. Others might argue that an animal is only real if it can be found in its natural habitat. Jump to 10 ways to make money peacock farming from a scientific perspective. The answer to this question is yes. Pink peacocks are real. They are a naturally occurring mutation of the Indian peafowl, and while they are rare, they do exist in the world. However, from an everyday perspective, some people might say that pink peacocks are not real because they cannot be found in the wild. Are pink peacocks real? Pink albino peacock. Peacocks are known for their beautiful colors, which is due to a genetic variant called the white peacock. It has lighter tones than other types of peafowl, and these pigments include porphyrins with many different shades including pink or green-blue hues. Peacock gene chart. Peach first appeared in 1991 out of the original purple stock. Peach is strongly associated with cameo and purple stock. All known peaches can trace to both cameo and purple ancestors, and may be a linked double recessive, cameo plus peach, rather than a separate mutation. Alternatively, purple and cameo may be alleles of the same gene series and peach the split. The color is similar to cameo but shifted to more red/pink tones. Where do pink peacocks live? Natural habitat for peacocks is found in the rainforest and tropical areas of Southeast Asia. They live in dense understory vegetation where they can find plenty of food and shelter. They are usually found in areas near water and prefer the swampy parts of rainforests. Pink peacocks live in Southeast Asia, especially near water and in dense vegetation for shelter and food. They can also be seen on safari tours in Kenya, Africa. Because of their beauty today, they are raised all over the world on farms and zoos. Pink albino peacock. A pink albino peacock comes from a genetic mutation that causes a lack of pigment. It is believed that the pink peacock comes from a genetic mutation, which could be because of albinism or something else. But either way, it's an animal with less melanin than normal and therefore has no dark coloration in its feathers to show up. It can come out as mostly white or very pale at first glance, but then if you look more closely, its other colors start to show up. To the naked eye, this could be blue or green on certain parts of its body. The eyes in an albino peacock are pink and red. The albino effect is because of a lack of melanin in the peacock, and that can result in pink or white color. But no matter what their true colors are, their eyes will be red if they're albino, because there is also another mutation with its genes where blood vessels show through the eye retina, and this makes them appear reddish pink in color. Where do pink peacocks exist? Pink color found rarely in peacocks is not found naturally, instead it is a genetic mutation. There are few places in the world where these pink peacocks exist, and they are mostly found in captivity. The only country where you can find wild pink peacocks is Sri Lanka, especially pink albino peacock. The pink coloration of the peacock's feathers is usually caused by a genetic mutation, which makes them rarer than other types of peacocks. However, some people breed peacocks specifically for color mutation. The mutation is most common in the India blue peacock, which has a blue plumage with some green and bronze feathers. However, it can also occur in other types of peacocks, including the white peacock. There are different theories about why some peacocks have this pink coloring. One theory suggests that coloration is a genetic defect caused by a lack of melanin, which turns the bird's feathers pink. Another theory suggests that this coloration is used for camouflage purposes because it makes the peacock harder to spot among reeds and grasses on riverbanks or in marshes where they live. Darlene and I have lived on a 500-acre farm. We lived there raising our 3 children and 6 foster children. On that farm we and our children raised rabbits, chickens, hogs, cattle, goats. View all posts.